I hope you can see an orange. Just opening and spelling it, that's what feeling I'm getting. There is nothing like nutritious eating your fruits to boost our health. Remember, you are what you eat. So eat well to heal well. I'm Dr. Sandhya Ravi, founder of Telephysio Solutions, and I'm thrilled to share some invaluable insights on how good nutrition can speed up your muscle recovery. When it comes to healing, the food we consume is just as crucial as the exercise we do. Let me share 7 key tips on how you can utilize proper nutrition to accelerate your muscle recovery. And while you are here, consider saving this video and subscribing to our channel for more valuable health insights and tips. Tip number 1. Prioritize lean protein for muscle repair. Incorporate lean protein sources such as chicken, fish, eggs, beans, and tofu to provide the building blocks needed for repairing and strengthening muscle fibers. Tip number 2. Opt for complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Choose complex carbohydrates from whole grains, fruits, vegetables to replenish energy stores and maintain stable blood sugar level for sustained vitality during the recovery process. Tip number 3. Include healthy fats to reduce inflammation. Integrate healthy fats from sources like avocado, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish to reduce inflammations and promote tissue health, aiding in a faster healing process. Tip number 4. Harness the power of omega-3 fatty acids. Consume omega-3 rich foods such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Not only that, for vegetarians, don't worry, you can consume nuts like almond to benefit from their anti-inflammatory properties, facilitating the body's healing journey. Tip number 5. Embrace antioxidant-rich foods for muscle recovery. Integrate anti-rich fruits and vegetables like blueberries, strawberries, and spinach to combat oxidative stress and support the natural healing process of your muscles. Tip number 6. Design a well-balanced meal plan for optimal recovery. Create a well-rounded meal plan that includes all essential nutrients, ensuring your body receives the necessary support for effective and efficient muscle recovery. Tip number 7. Water is very important. Stay hydrated to support the healing process. Maintain proper hydration by drinking water at least 8 to 10 cups daily. This will help you facilitating the body healing mechanism and optimizing the recovery process. By incorporating these dietary tips into your routine, you can pave the way for a smoother, swifter path to muscle recovery. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video.